The theory of Alzheimer's that's still very prominent is that it's the accumulation of these things called plaques and tangles, which you can see under the microscope, and they've always been considered a signature of neurodegeneration that's associated with Alzheimer's dementia. And it's been the way that people have measured whether or not a treatment has worked or not worked is whether or not it could decrease these plaques and tangles in mouse tissue and sometimes in human tissue. Now, we have to be clear that plaques and tangles do accumulate in the brains of people with Alzheimer's. But early on in the research on Alzheimer's, so dating back well over a decade now, there was basically a data fraud, fudging of data, we call it, where someone essentially said that there was a label of protein that represented something that it didn't. And then what this has cascaded into over many, many years is an entire set of theories about which drugs ought to be beneficial for the treatment of Alzheimer's. And I would say now trillions of dollars put into research along those particular lines of inquiry. So what we're basically saying is one mistake can cascade into a series of thousands or tens of thousands of mistakes that can take a field really far astray.